Let me tell you how modern browsers can easily be used to parse a JSON using JavaScript. See, this is a simple HTML file with JavaScript code within the script tag. Right? This is script tag, and I have declared 4 objects which are simple variables of JavaScript, and one of them is, the first one is a simple name value pair within curly braces, then 2 name value pairs within curly braces, then a name value pair where the value is like an simple array, just 2 members of that array, and then another object where value is an array, but within an array there is an object, another curly braces, that means a name value pair set. Now we'll see how we can easily take out data or put data within this JSON objects. For example, we can just say ob1.name, that will give me the value of this name. That means this should get printed. Now I have just put, because I am using document.write, I can use HTML directly here. So to bring it in another line, I have put br. Then we have used object 2, bringing out name and age both. 2 name value pairs are there, and this contains a integer value, so this can also be directly brought. Now we can also change that value. So this is a putting system in JavaScript where value of JSON object can also be changed. So ob2.age has been changed now. So this should now print age as 25. And then again we are using the third one. This one is where array has been used with simple 2 variables. That means one is name and one is age. So we are using that array. So now this, we have to use this kind of structure. Object name dot the key name, and then followed by this array symbol and which member we want to pick. So this is the 0th member of array, and this one is the first member of array. So this will pick out of this key value within an array 0th member and first member. So this name and this age from array will be printed. And another case, we are now testing a boolean variable. So this if condition is there. So if this result 0, that means from this array, the 0th member result, that means this pass or fail somebody. So this true or false we want to check. So we have used the if condition. This true will be checked using this if condition. And then based on that condition, we are printing it. So if this is true, then we are saying that such and such person is pass. Let us see what is the result in the browser of this code. I have put it here and just see. After zooming it, this is the code. So the first one, this one is coming from this first one, this condition, and this line is coming from this condition. See, name is aged ob2.age, and this third line, since I changed the value here, so it is coming from this condition. Fourth line is coming from this condition, and this last line is coming from a boolean check based on if condition, and this condition is getting displayed now. This first member out of this result array which contains further object, and if this was pass, so it is showing it pass. Thank you.